Hello, friends. I am Jackie. Today, I want to share with you an interesting fact I recently learned about the world's largest single market and how it changes our lives. Firstly, let's talk about China, which has an astounding ability to break technological monopolies. I once heard that the photovoltaic industry was dominated by Western countries, but since China entered this field, the price of polycrystalline silicon materials plunged by 20 times in less than 7 years. Can you imagine such a significant change? But it doesn't stop there. Take caviar, for example, once a symbol of luxury, but now, due to the breakthrough research of Chinese scientists, the price of caviar has dropped by 40 times in the global market. This is undoubtedly great news for consumers. Truffles are another good example. They once cost as much as €500, but now the price has dropped to €30, largely due to China's ability to produce on a large scale. This next example might make you chuckle. There was a time when people mocked China for not being able to produce ballpoint pen refills. Then a company called Taiyuan Iron and Steel took up the challenge and overcame this technical problem in just 4 months, producing 60 tons of pen refills, enough for global usage for an entire year. As a result, the global price of pen refills dropped by 25% on that day, a definite blow to other ballpoint pen refill manufacturers. Let's talk about shield tunneling machines, heavy machinery used for underground tunnel construction. Previously, even repairs were done exclusively by German experts, and they wouldn't even let us watch. But ultimately, China successfully broke through this technological barrier, and Chinese shield tunneling machines began to dominate the global market. Now, even the most advanced Japanese shield tunneling machine, originally selling for $100 million, now only dares to sell for $5 million USD, a price drop of 20 times. Why is this the case? It's the power of economies of scale. The larger the scale, the lower the technological cost per unit product. This is why, despite various challenges and changes, China can still maintain its competitive edge. This phenomenon may be misunderstood by many. They may think that the rise of China's manufacturing industry is due to low labor costs. But in fact, China's real advantage is its scale. For conventional manufacturing, labor costs only account for 10%, while the advantage of scale is an undeniable factor. Chinese products have a huge market of 1.4 billion people waiting even before they are exported. Take Europe as an example. The entire European market is smaller than China's because their population is only 1.1 billion. That's the power of scale. You might ask, India has a larger population than China. Isn't their scale larger? This leads us to our next topic. What is a single market? A single market means one set of laws, one tax system, one set of business rules, and one language. That's why China can continue to exert a strong influence in the global market. Although India is also a country for various reasons, it is not a true single market in the real sense. Each federal state has its own laws, and there are even tariffs between states, which undoubtedly increases market complexity. Next, let's talk about the complete industrial chain. The complete industrial chain means that China can produce almost anything in the world, which is why China is now the largest trading partner of more than 170 countries. The exported products are no longer simple shirts or small commodities, but include high-end products such as high-speed rail and electronic technology. This is the power of Made in China, and this is why, no matter where we are, we cannot avoid products made in China in our lives. This is also why I think understanding China's economic model and the power of Chinese manufacturing is very important for each of us. This not only involves economics, but also our way of life and future possibilities. In summary, the success of Made in China lies not only in their ability to produce cheaper products, but also in their creation of a unique business model through the advantages of economies of scale, the ability to produce a complete industrial chain, and the advantages of a single market. The impact on the global economy is immense.